Good morning. Today is an exciting day for me. I am going to visit my aunt in another city. I will travel by train. It is my first time traveling alone by train. I feel a little nervous, but I am also excited. My mother is helping me get ready.
Anna, are you ready?
Yes, Mom, I packed my bag.
Good. Do you have money for the ticket?
Yes, Mom, I have it in my wallet.
Great. The train station can be very busy, so we should leave early.
Okay, Mom. What time is the train?
The train leaves at 10 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It is 8:30.
So we have enough time.
Yes, but we should not be late. Anna, do you have everything?
Let me check. I have my phone. I have my wallet. I have my ticket money. And I have my bag.
Good. What is inside your bag?
Some clothes, a water bottle, and some snacks.
That sounds good. Traveling can make you hungry.
Yes, Mom, I am ready now.
Okay, let's go to the train station.
Okay.
Anna, are you excited?
Yes, I like traveling.
Have you traveled by train before?
No, this is my first time.
Then today will be a new experience.
Yes, I want to see the train. I heard trains are very big.
Yes, they are. And they move very fast.
Wow, the station is very big. Many people are walking everywhere. Some people are carrying bags. Some people are waiting. Some people are buying tickets. Mom, the station is very busy.
Yes, train stations are always busy. Many people travel every day. Look over there. That is the ticket counter. Let's go there.
We stand in line.
Several people are waiting.
After a few minutes, it is our turn.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I would like one ticket to Lahore. What time is the train? The train leaves at 10 o'clock. Okay, one ticket please. That will be 800 rupees. Here is the money. Thank you. Here is your ticket. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Mom, what should we do now?
Now we need to find the platform.
What is a platform?
A platform is the place where passengers wait for the train.
Oh, I understand.
Let's look at the information board. The board shows train numbers and platform numbers.
Look, train number 205 to Lahore. Platform number 3.
That is our train.
Great!
Let's go to platform 3. Here we are. Okay, let's sit down.
I feel excited.
Traveling by train is fun. You can see many places through the window.
Yes. I want to see the countryside.
Hello.
Hello?
Are you traveling today?
Yes, I am going to Lahore.
Oh, really? Me too. Is this your first train trip?
Yes, it is.
Then you will enjoy it. Train journeys are comfortable. How long does the trip take? About 3 hours. That is not too long. No. It is a pleasant journey. Thank you for the information. You're welcome.
Look, Mom, the train is arriving.
Yes, that is your train.
The train is very long. It has many compartments. People start standing up. Everyone is getting ready. The train stops slowly. The doors open.
Passengers get off the train. Now new passengers get on. Anna, this is your train.
Yes, I am ready. Mom, thank you for bringing me here.
You are welcome. Travel safely. Call me when you arrive.
I will.
Take care. Take care, Anna.
I will. See you soon.
I found my seat. The seat is near the window. That is perfect.
I put my bag above the seat. The train whistle blows. Slowly, the train begins to move. The station moves farther away. I look outside the window. I see buildings, then I see fields and trees. The journey has started.
Hello? Hello? Where are you going? I am going to Lahore. What about you? I am also going to Lahore. Are you a student?
Yes, I study at a college in Lahore.
That is great. We talk during the journey. Time passes quickly.
Yes.
After 3 hours, we are arriving in Lahore. I see my aunt waiting.
Anna! Aunt Sarah!
Welcome to Lahore.
Thank you.
How was your journey?
It was wonderful. I enjoyed traveling by train.
That's great. Let's go home. Okay, let's go.
Hello, my viewers. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed learning English today. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing English every day. Take care and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye!